Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a small Java program which is a last recurring character in a given string. So basically what I mean here I have given the string A, B, C, D, D, E, E. This is a simple string and we want to print last recurring character from given string. Here DD also is recurring, E is also recurring, but our last recurring character here is E. So let me get started with this. Here I have defined one character variable which is and calling I am find last repeating character from given string, and I am printing that. So what will be the actual logic for this? Let me get started for this. Here we need to traverse through this given string. For that we are using for loop here. So here I am using one for loop for int I is equal to I is s dot length minus 1. So we will reach to the end of the string, and what we are doing, I is greater than equal to 0, then I minus minus. So we will reach to through our strings. And next what we are doing here, here we will store our character variable into, let me s dot caret I, means whichever character present in this I at the last, which is E, it will check E, and we will compare this means we will check this with last index of s. So here if last index of character C, s dot last index of method is in their string, so we will check this with C not equal to I. So what it will check, it will check last index of I is not equal to this character, then it will return us given character in given string. So we will return C, means character here we are returning, and if it is not present, then just we will return character literal here slash 0 we will return here. So let me run this program and we will see the output of this program. uh, Here it is returning as 0, means it is indeed something went wrong in our program. Let me check. Int I is equal to s dot length minus 1, and here we are doing greater than, we need to here like I is greater than equal to 0, then only it will traverse through the end of the string. So now it should give the correct output to us. Let me run it again. If you see guys, here it is returning as last recurring character in given string. So thanks for watching these videos guys. If you like this videos, then like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.